Hi, so could you introduce yourself first today?
Hi, my name is Ibrahim.
Jenny, Mandita,
Sophie,
Anne, and my husband Craig.
I'm from Singapore.
from Germany,
Hungary.
And we're Canadian.
What do you think about our social cause?
I think it's an amazing, empowering initiative.
and I think in Singapore we always see one side of Singapore, and that's a very rich side of Singapore. But there's also people you don't come into contact with who maybe miss out on that.
I think it's a great idea. It's a fabulous way to engage with the community and give something back.
And it's a good opportunity. Clearly, it's a good opportunity for the ladies to get self-confidence in themselves. You can see now that they're confident in talking to strangers and, teaching. I mean, there's so many things that they've learned. I don't know, what they were like before they started, but, they really look like confident ladies.
It's a great initiative to help local families who otherwise wouldn't be able to get a full-time job.
On the other hand, for people like us, it's an awesome experience to get to know locals